we have a couple of students who have gotten approval from the university to have a student-led garden. So they currently work at the Aggie Farm on Fridays, and we have an activity called Farm Fridays, which is an initiative through the Aggie Source where students can go and learn about agriculture, get some fresh air, good for your mental health, and just maybe learn a thing or two about farming and growing their own food. So I was approached by a student, Kendall Taylor, whose idea was to more so try to incorporate having an on-campus garden for students who maybe don't have transportation.
I'm here because I am actually one of the two founders of the Aggie Student Garden Initiative. This is something we've been working really hard on for the past 6 months, and this is the official launch. This is only the start to what we're going to do with this garden, but we wanted to invite out the community to engage and to be able to help celebrate this with us on Earth Day. What I hope to come about from this is not only produce for our students in our community, but also a awareness for agriculture and sustainability and how important it is in each of our everyday lives. I also want to foster more community engagement and awareness for the Aggie Source and the resources that we do provide for the students.
So we have 4 beds here today, and those are just for us to build, to plant spices and for us to plant vegetables and things of that nature. And it's going to be free to the students here, and we just want to make sure that our students have access to healthy and fresh foods.
The garden is something that's going to help a lot of people, and it's going to bring a lot of extra initiative to the school. I want to be a part of something like this. Let me come out, take some photos, and give my feedback and show some love, man.
Stay tuned for what we do with our Aggie Student Garden. This is something we want to help improve the university for years to come.